Hello students, myself Swati Patil from the Botany Department of SVKT College, Devali camp. Today we see the Golgi apparatus, one of the important cell organelles in plants and animals also. In the previous lectures we see the endoplasmic reticulum. This is also the important cell organelles in our body, plants and animals. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, the structure of these two organelles are similarly same look like. Okay, so today we see the introduction of Golgi apparatus, ultrastructure of Golgi apparatus and function of Golgi apparatus. So this is the main figure of Golgi apparatus, or it is also called as the Golgi body. It is present in both plants and animals or in human body. So you see the one of the cells in animals. So the green structure, it is nothing but the Golgi body. So this Golgi body, it is nothing but present in the zone of exclusion. So what is the zone of exclusion? Zone of exclusion means this Golgi body or apparatus are present near the present, there is no cell organelles present near the vicinity of Golgi body. Why this cell organelles not present in vicinity? Because the Golgi body performs the very fast rate of production of vacuoles. These production of vacuoles are fast growth rate, hence near the vicinity there is the no cell organelles present, and hence it is called as also the zone of exclusion, that is the Golgi apparatus. So in that figure, the one of the cell organelles Golgi body, there is also present a mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus. Other cell organelles are also present in these figures. Then see the important topics, important points of the Golgi body. So I say also Golgi apparatus, it is also called as the Golgi body or Golgi complex of the cells of both plant and animals. So this Golgi body also called as the middle man of the cells, because very important function are carry the Golgi body. Then it is the refer as the manufacturing and the shipping center of the cells. Why it is called as the shipping center of the cells? Because these Golgi body, the proteins are goes to the targeted destination. Hence it is called as the shipping center of the cells. In the proceed slides, we are discussing all about the functions of Golgi body. So next is, where is the present exact location, or exact where is the prokaryotic present or eukaryotic present. So mostly Golgi body are absent in prokaryotic cells, absent in bacteria. So these Golgi body are present in eukaryotic cells. But you know the science is the exceptional cases. So also in this Golgi body, the exception cases, that is sieve tube cells of a plants. These are present in the phloem of a plants, and sperms of bryophyte and pteridophyte, it is absent. These are the exceptional cases in eukaryotic cells. Okay. Then these Golgi apparatus are morphological very similar in both plant and animal cells. So why these very similar? Because they are a pleomorphic cells. Hence, because in some cells their appears are a compact structure and limited. It means the number are the less in the number are less in the cells of particular plant and animal cells, and others are spread out or reticular or mat like structure are distributed in the cells of plants and animals. So hence it is nothing but the pleomorphic of the cells. They are the very look like a similar both of plant and animals, but some extreme conditions the shape are changes according to the function of their specimen body of plant and animals. Okay, so this is the basic concept of Golgi body. Then it is the another packing organelles like the endoplasmic reticulum. In previous I say these endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body, the structure are similarly the same. Then to next we see the what is exact number of Golgi body or apparatus are present in the plant and animal cells. So in some unicellular flagellates, as many as 60 cisternae may combine to make up a Golgi apparatus. So these cisternae are the part or structure of Golgi apparatus. In next slide we see the detailed structure of cisternae. So these cisternae are the stack like structures. So unicellular flagellate means it's having the 60 cisternae and the combined group made up of the Golgi apparatus. So similarly the number of Golgi bodies in a cells varies according to its function. Okay, according to function the numbers are less or increase in the different type of a cells of a plant or animals. So next in animal cells they generally contain 10 to 20 Golgi stacks per cells or 10 to 20 Golgi body present per cells, which are linked, which are connected to a single complex, that is nothing but the tubular connection. The two cisternae are connects between the tubular connection. It is called as the tubules. So this complex is usually located close to the cell nucleus. So these Golgi body are present near the vicinity of the cell's nucleus. Okay, so we see the basic concept of Golgi body. Then next we see the structure of Golgi apparatus or structure of Golgi body. So the main component of Golgi body, first one is the cisternae, second one is vesicles, third one is tubules, and fourth one is vacuoles, and it is also called as the vesicles. So in that figure we see the total picture of Golgi apparatus from according to the cells. Okay, so you see the stacks like a structure that is called as the cisternae, and in this stacks like cisternae there is the empty space, it is called as the lumen shape, okay, or lumen structure. Then cis phase you see, trans phase you see, then newly forming vesicles like vacuoles in that figure you see. So these are the structure of Golgi apparatus. The cisternae are the stack like structure, okay, 4 to 15, 20 to 30, the number are varies from organism to organism, cell to cell. Then in that figure, next figure, the cis phase means, cis phase in Golgi apparatus means the upcoming protein or upcoming amino acids are enter the Golgi apparatus. So hence it is called as the cis phase, and opposite direction it is the trans phase. From this trans phase the modified protein or modified amino acids are sent to the destiny from the trans phase of the Golgi apparatus. Okay. So first we see the detailed structure of the cisternae. So it is the simplest unit of Golgi apparatus. So what is the function of cisternae? The cisternae are the modifying and packaging of the amino acids or proteins, and they are sent to the targeted destination. Then these cisternae are central, flattened, and it is also look like a platter or saucer like structure, stack like 1 or 1 2 divided structure. In each stack, what is the space? The cisternae are separated by a space of 20 to 30 nanometer. The distance is very less because the Golgi body are in the compact structure. Then each stack of cisternae form a dictysome which may contain a 5 to 6 Golgi cisternae in animal cells and 20 or more cisternae in plant cells. Okay, dictysome means the stack of cisternae. Okay, the stack of cisternae, nothing but the dictysomes. They are complex form and it is present 5 to 6 in animal cells and 20 or more cisternae are present in a plant cells. Okay, then the margins of each cisternae are generally curved so that the entire dictysome of the Golgi apparatus takes a ball-like structure. It looks like a ball-like structure because the margins are cisternae are curved. Each margin of cisternae are curved, and in that the empty cells are present in the lumen. Gel-like structure are present in that cisternae. Then the cisternae at the convex end of the dictysome comprises the proximal forming cis phase. In previous we say the cis phase means proteins are enter through that cis phase, and the concave end of dictysome or concave end of a cisternae comprises the distal maturing or a transphase. What is transphase? When the proteins are manufacturing, sorting, then they are sent to a targeted area. From which targeted area? From the transphase. Cis phase the proteins are enters and transphase the proteins are goes out. Okay, so this is the cisternae, one of the important structure of Golgi body. They are the stack present, the number is present according to the organism to organism or cell to cell. So this is the main component, that is cisternae of Golgi body. Then next is the tubules. So tubules in Golgi apparatus also called as the microtubules. Okay, the whole structure of Golgi body, the whole structure of Golgi apparatus are supported by the tubules. Whole apparatus, whole structure, the getting the uniformity of the organelles, getting the uniformity of the cells because of the tubules. So they are the associated vesicles, and it is the having the 30 to 50 nanometer diameter surrounded by the dictysome, means surrounded by the cisternae, and it's radiate from it. In fact, the peripheral area of dictysome or cisternae is fenestrated like a structure, means the tubules are less like a structure. The cisternae are the ball like a structure. Like while the tubules are less like a structure, they are the slender in shape. Okay, they are supported to the cisternae or they are supported to the Golgi body. Okay, so they are the important function of tubules are support to the whole system of organism, whole system of the Golgi body. Then next component, next structure of Golgi body is the vesicles. Okay, so these vesicles are not only present in the Golgi body, but almost every cell organelles there is the presence of vesicles. Okay, they are a small rounded spherical in shapes. In this Golgi body or apparatus, the vesicles are 60 nanometer in diameters. Okay, so in the Golgi body the vesicles are three types. First we see the transitional vesicles. So in that transitional vesicles, the small membranes limited vesicles which are thought to form blebs from the transitional ER to migrate and converge to cis phase of a Golgi, where they form a new cisternae. So in these transitional vesicles, they are came to from what? They are came to from the endoplasmic reticulum, and they are migrate to the cis phase, when there is the proteins are enters and they form a new cisternae, they form a new vesicles. Then second type of vesicles is secretory vesicles. So in these secretory vesicles they are also the variate size membrane limited vesicles and the discharge from the margins of cisternae of Golgi. They often occur between the maturing phase of Golgi and the plasma membrane. They are came from the cis phase of a Golgi and the plasma membrane of the Golgi. Then third one is the clathrin coated vesicles. They are the spherical protuberances about 50 micrometer nanometer in diameter with a rough surface. So clathrin coated vesicles, the epidermis the surface, that is the rough surface of a clathrin coated vesicle. So these vesicles, what is the functions of vesicles? These vesicles are main functions in the protein targeting, protein sortings. Okay, so it is important in the Golgi body, that is transitional vesicles, secretory vesicles and clathrin coated vesicles. So one important vesicles is the clathrin coated vesicles. Their important function is the protein targeting and protein sorting. Okay, so these are the main component of the vesicles, that is cisternae, then tubules, and third one is the vesicles, or it is called as the vacuoles. Okay, so then next is the function of Golgi apparatus. We see the all structure firmly in Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, cisternae, tubules and vesicles. These three are formed the Golgi apparatus. So what is exact function of Golgi apparatus? Okay, so I say the Golgi body is the middleman of the cells, or it is also called as the traffic police of the cells. Why it is called as traffic police of the cell? Because they are sending to the main targeted areas like plasma membrane, out of the cells, or whatever it where it is gone. Then the key role of a Golgi apparatus is sorting of many of the cells proteins and membrane constituents, and it is directing them to their proper destination. Okay, whatever the proteins they are sorting, they are manufacturing and they are directing them to the proper destination like a plasma membrane, out of the nucleus or out of the cells. This is the important function of Golgi apparatus. Then also other function are also important by the Golgi apparatus are performs in the cells, that is they involved in the formation of lysosome, means they are targeting or naming of a lysosomes and other enzymes containing the cellular inclusion and in the formation of the secretory granules in cells. They are a proper naming of lysosomes in the Golgi apparatus performed by the naming of lysosomes. Then next function, the lysosome formation function or targeting or naming of lysosome proteins are performed in the animal cell. So then next is the what is the function of in plant cells? It is involved in the secretion of materials of primary and secondary cells walls. Then it means the formation of and export of a glycoproteins, lipids, pectins and monomers of a hemicellulose, cellulose, lignin and etc. The cell wall of a plant are comprises with a different enzymes like lipid, pectins, monomers, and they are prepared or in function of a Golgi body. They perform the function by the Golgi body. Okay, they are involved in the secretion of that lipids, pectins and monomer and hemicellulose. Then in general the Golgi complex are play a vital importance and it serve as a many function. So in previous we see the main content or main function of the Golgi body, but rather than the Golgi body performs also the other function in the cells of a plant body and animals. So first is the absorption of compounds, then previous we see the formation of secretory vesicles and secretion, because they are maintain the protein structure and manufacturing of our body. Then also it helps in a enzyme formation and some hormones. Then also they perform the storage of protein, means when from the cis phase the proteins are comes, some minutes or in some hour the proteins are stored in the cisternae. The proteins are stored in the tubules for a sometimes, okay, because of tagging of proteins or sorting of proteins. Hence the function is the storage of proteins. Then next function or important function is formation of acrosomes. So formation of acrosome in what? Formation of acrosomes in a sperms. Okay, in sperms they are helps to maintain the structure of sperms in plant body, in animal body. Then it is also the important in the intracellular crystal formation. Then we see the formation of a plant cell wall like a cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, etc. Then also the Golgi complex or Golgi body are performed in the glycoprotein secretion like a sphingomyelin. Okay, so these are the biochemicals are performed in the Golgi complex. They are important in the glycoprotein secretion. Okay, so these are the important function of a Golgi apparatus. So in that figure Golgi apparatus, the cis phase we see the trans phase. So in that cis phase the proteins are comes, you see the incoming transport vesicle. So in that incoming transport vesicles the proteins are, the protein droplets, the proteins are come from the cis phase, come from the incoming transport vesicles, and they are come in the cisternae, stack like structure. They are present or stored in the lumen. Okay, they come from the mostly ER. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, through endoplasmic reticulum they come and presence in the lumen of a cisternae, and in that lumen or cisternae they are a manufacture and sorting like structure, and then decide where they go, where they goes plasma membrane, where they goes out of cells and nucleus. They are sent to the targeted destination. From what? From transphase of the cisternae. Okay, then transphase of a cisternae they are throughout or send out their targeted destination. Okay, so main function of Golgi apparatus, that is they are the middleman of the cells or traffic police of the cells. Without Golgi body there is the no presence of animal cell or a plant cells. Okay, because where the proteins goes, where they are manufactured, nothing, or without proteins the living body can't survive. Okay, so these are the functions and different components of the Golgi apparatus. Then assignment to students, that is describe the ultrastructure of Golgi apparatus with detailed diagram or with detailed explanation, cisternae, tubules and vesicles. And also you write down the some important introduction of Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? What is exact number of plant and in animals, where they are present in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic. We say they are present in the eukaryotic cells and it is absent in prokaryotic cells. Okay, eukaryotic in eukaryotic cells there is also exceptional cases like sperms of bryophyte and pteridophyte, then see elements of plants. Okay, so you describe all the introduction or ultrastructure of Golgi apparatus. Then next assignment is the different function of Golgi apparatus in details. Okay, so in that lecture we see the what is exactly Golgi apparatus or Golgi body, one of the important cell organelles. Then second one is the ultrastructure or figure out of Golgi apparatus, and last one is the detailed function of Golgi apparatus or body. Thank you.